Welcome to another edition of SoCal Sense. I am Jeff, and today we are going to do an opening because this giant box made an appearance at my house, and I definitely was not expecting it. It's from L'Oreal, and I legit don't know what this is. So we're gonna unbox it. And it's funny because the other day I also got a package from L'Oreal and Ralph Lauren, and in this package, it was Polo 67 and Polo Blue, the original Eau de Toilette. Comes in this nice little like bookcase thing. But let's see what this is, because let's be real, this box is huge. So let's get her open. It's always fun getting stuff, but like when you don't expect anything to come in the mail and then something comes in the mail, it's a good time. This is really taped up. So, okay. Got it open. For all my ASMR people, here you go. Okay. It's a locker. And it's from Azzaro. Happy Father's Day from Azzaro. It says, pass the ball, pass the love. This Father's Day, celebrate the true MVP in your life with the most luxurious fragrance in the Wanted collection. Forever Wanted, the new absolute. All right. And it comes with a key. And let me pull the complete plastic off so you can actually see it. Sorry, it's not, I should be doing this up. I dropped my microphone, so let's put the mic back on. All right, so we got the box. This is a huge locker. And let me unlock this thing. If I could get the key in. There we go. It's a different kind of key. I am failing miserably at this. As the lock will not come undone, there we go. Okay. There's two keys, one worked, one didn't work. Okay, got the lock undone. And let's open it. Ooh. We got the fragrance, which almost fell out. This is Forever Wanted Absolute. This is the newest one. And what else would come in here? A soccer ball. All right. Oh, this is actually a really nice soccer ball. That says Azzaro on the soccer ball. I don't know if you guys can see it. In the soft gold right there. But yeah, kind of cool. Wasn't expecting a locker to come in the mail with the soccer ball. And I already have talked about Forever Wanted Absolute quite a bit on the channel. Yeah, it's quite nice. This is, yeah, so this is the most mature version of the Wanted line. So if you are looking for the most mature for the older gentleman, Forever Wanted Absolute is gonna be the way to go. It kind of has that gourmandy vanilla boozy aspect to it happening. It's nice, cold weather scent. This is gonna smell really, really good for a lot of different people. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Was not expecting a locker, like legitimately a locker. Crazy. And then the other one I got from L'Oreal this week was a book. Was also not expecting a book. Now, like I said earlier, in the book, so Ralph Lauren, let's open that book. Ta-da! So there's two fragrances in this one. Polo 67, and it says the key ingredients are pineapple, cedar wood, and leather. And I've talked about Polo 67 Extreme a ton on the channel. I really like this fragrance. It's my favorite of the Polo 67 line, but it's really, really nice. One of the best releases this year, which is funny because Polo 67 EDP was one of the best releases last year. And then the original Polo Blue EDT and Cool Sage, Smooth Suede, and Fresh Melon. Now, I got this fragrance when I was a kid, the original Polo Blue EDT, and this is basically one of the very first blue fragrances. In fact, I'm gonna credit Ralph Lauren with creating the blue shower gel style fragrance, because if you've ever smelled Polo Sport, that basically created the shower gel fragrance. After that one came out, so many shower gels started to smell like it that it became a trend. And then Polo Blue EDT kind of revamped the whole blue notion of blue fragrances. So when I got this one, it was great. I wore it all the way until my bottle was gone. And then now I have a new bottle of it. But then Polo 67 Extreme, legitimately one of the best releases of the year. Cool. All right, guys. Bye.